So today I want to talk about techniques, guys, and this whole idea of you have to do this. Like hypnosis has become like you have to do all of this stuff in order to get a result. Furthermore, it's a lot of all clients need regressions. All clients need to float above their timeline. All clients need to be relaxed in order to get therapy. And I'm here to say this is now more assumptions. I've talked about assumptions and conclusions on other videos before. This whole thing of all clients need this is absolutely crazy because there's one thing we know about all clients. They are all different. So a lot of therapists will spend all their time learning the next best technique, the regression. Then they do the timeline, then they do the visualization, they do the reviv, they do the blitz. They learn all these. They are cool techniques, but that's all they are techniques. And it's basically saying a technique can fit a client. But realize in reality, clients don't fit techniques. So if you're thinking when you go into a session that all clients need regressions, think again. All clients need timelines. No, they don't. All clients need to be relaxed. No, they don't. You won't know when you get really good at therapy. You won't know what needs to happen until it's actually happening in the session. Now, I won't get into that point too much. We've talked about this before. I call this, if you look through our catalog of videos, I think it's called organic trances or organic therapy. And I talk about how to allow organic regression show up, organic timeline show up. And what I'm saying here by using the word organic could be organic visualization. Your client's mind will take them towards that technique. Then it's your job just to sort of shimmy them through that technique and out the other side. This whole thing that, with like timelines or regression, like timelines, you have to float above it. It has to go back to this scene. Regressions is the same. It has to be 3 scenes in order to have a breakthrough. Why? Why can't it be 5? Why can't it be 1? Why can't it be 100? You've really, and again, this is only if you want to get really good and fast at therapy, guys, and break through a lot of the issues therapists have. This whole thing, it has to be this way. It has to be the strict formula. Therapy can't be strict. Why? Because your client's mind will go into some crazy and weird places. It'll go off topic, on topic, unconscious, conscious, conclusions, lies, truths, all of this stuff. It'll go through this myriad of different positions and places. It's very hard to structure a technique around that, guys. So the big one is if you're saying all clients need a timeline, all clients need a regression, they have to visualize. Big one is they have to relax. This is completely false. And if you're finding your session takes so long, multiple sessions, no result, this is one big area of your practice that you can definitely fix. Get away from this. Hypnosis has to be all of these things, or all my clients need this thing. Hopefully that helps, guys.